Hello everyone. For the past 8 months, I have been working on Kokraf, a 3D modeling tool that runs right in your browser. Today, I want to show you what it currently can do by modeling a floating house. You can try it yourself at kokraf.com for free. And if you want, join our Discord community to share your ideas, request new features, or showcase your 3D model. I'm really excited to see what you create. The controls and command shortcuts in Kokraf are exactly the same as Blender. So if you already know Blender, you will feel right at home. This floating house was made entirely in Kokraf on the web. I have been pushing it forward, and I plan to keep building Kokraf into a full-feature 3D modeling tool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this time lapse of the floating house coming together.